Unlock the secrets of the Mediterranean diet, a journey to health and longevity. Welcome to our journey into the heart of one of the world's healthiest diets, the Mediterranean diet. Rich in flavors and steeped in history, this diet is not just about food, it's a gateway to a healthier life. Today, we'll explore the myriad benefits of the Mediterranean diet, backed by science and easy to incorporate into your daily life. Let's embark on this flavorful journey to wellness and vitality. 1. What is the Mediterranean diet? Originating from the countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, this diet is a melting pot of the culinary traditions of people from Greece, Italy, Spain, and beyond. At its core, the Mediterranean diet is a celebration of natural whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, complemented by olive oil as a primary fat source. It includes moderate amounts of fish, dairy, and poultry, with a limited intake of red meat. But it's more than just a list of foods. It's a lifestyle that emphasizes enjoying meals with family and friends, being physically active, and taking a mindful approach to eating. 2. Heart health and the Mediterranean diet. Let's dive into the heart of the matter, cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that following a Mediterranean diet can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. This diet is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, primarily from olive oil, which have been linked to lower levels of bad cholesterol. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish like salmon and sardines play a crucial role in heart health, reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure. The diet's high fiber content from whole grains and legumes also contributes to a healthy heart by improving cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. 3. Brain health and cognitive function. Your brain loves the Mediterranean diet too. Rich in antioxidants from fruits and vegetables, this diet protects your brain cells from damage. The omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in this diet, are essential for brain health and have been associated with a reduced risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. The Mediterranean diet also includes healthy amounts of nuts and seeds, which are great sources of vitamin E, known for its neuroprotective properties. 4. Weight management and the Mediterranean diet. Looking to manage your weight healthily? The Mediterranean diet might be your answer. It's naturally high in fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Unlike diets that focus on restriction, the Mediterranean diet emphasizes a balanced and enjoyable eating experience, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight in the long term. Plus, the inclusion of healthy fats leads to a more satisfying meal, which can help prevent snacking on less healthy options. 5. Cancer prevention and the Mediterranean diet. The fight against cancer has a powerful ally, the Mediterranean diet. The diet's rich variety of antioxidants from fruits and vegetables helps protect cells from damage that can lead to cancer. Foods high in fiber, like whole grains and legumes, have been linked to a lower risk of colorectal cancer. The moderate consumption of dairy products in the diet, especially fermented ones like yogurt, may also play a role in reducing cancer risk. 6. Anti-inflammatory effects and chronic disease prevention. Chronic inflammation is a silent threat, often leading to various diseases. The Mediterranean diet is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. The abundance of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, along with healthy fats from olive oil and nuts, combat inflammation. This is crucial, as chronic inflammation is linked to many diseases, including arthritis, asthma, and even some neurodegenerative diseases. 7. Bone health and the Mediterranean diet. Let's not forget about bone health. The Mediterranean diet, with its good sources of calcium from dairy products and leafy greens, supports strong bones. The diet is also rich in vitamin K, found in green leafy vegetables, which is essential for bone health. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids in the diet contribute to stronger bones. 8. Longevity and the Mediterranean diet. Dreaming of a long and healthy life? The Mediterranean diet could be your fountain of youth. Populations that follow this diet have a higher life expectancy and a lower risk of developing chronic diseases. The diet's emphasis on whole foods, minimal processing, and a balanced approach to eating supports overall health and longevity. As we conclude our journey through the Mediterranean diet, it's clear that this eating style offers a symphony of health benefits. From your heart to your brain, from weight management to longevity, this diet is a testament to the power of eating naturally and mindfully. Embrace the Mediterranean way of life and let it guide you towards a healthier, happier you. Thank you for joining us on this delicious and nutritious adventure.